Hi everyone, I'm Renu. In the last episode, I talked about the life metaphor. Life is a trust. And so today, I'm going to talk about the third life metaphor, that is, life is a temporary assignment. Lord, remind me how brief my time on earth will be. Remind me that my days are numbered and that my life is fleeing away. Psalm 39 verses 4. The Bible is full of metaphors that teach about the brief, temporary, transient nature of life on earth. The Bible says, "For we were born but yesterday, our days on earth are as transient as a shadow." The Bible compares life on earth to temporarily living in a foreign country. This is not your permanent home or final destination. You're just passing through, just visiting earth. The Bible uses terms like alien, pilgrim, foreigner, stranger, visitor, and traveler to describe our brief stay on earth. David said, "I am but a foreigner here on earth." And Peter explained, "If you call God your Father, live your time as temporary resident on earth." The fact that earth is not our ultimate home explains why we experience difficulty, sorrow, and rejection in this world. It also explains why some of God's promises seem unfulfilled, some prayers seem unanswered, and some circumstances seem unfair. In order to keep us from becoming too attached to earth, God allows us to feel a significant amount of discontent and dissatisfaction in life, that is, longings that will never be fulfilled on the side of eternity. We were not completely happy here because we are not supposed to be. Earth is not our final home. We were created for something much better. Paul was faithful, yet he ended up in prison. John the Baptist was faithful, but he was beheaded. Millions of faithful people have been martyred, have lost everything, or have come to the end of life with nothing to show for it. But the end of life is not the end. Your time on earth is not the complete story of your life. You must wait until heaven for the rest of the chapters. It takes faith to live on earth as a foreigner. When life gets tough, when you are overwhelmed with doubt, or when you wonder if living for Christ is worth the effort, remember that you are not home yet. At death, you won't leave home, you'll go home. So, we fix our eyes not on what is seen, but on what is unseen. For what is seen is temporary, but what is unseen is eternal. 2 Corinthians chapter 4, verses 18. Thank you.